Making of Indian Constitution was not an easy task. Making a constitution for a huge country and diverse country like India was not an easy work. India is a huge country and there are many diversity. So to satisfy all the groups and sections of the society by writing in all the problems and all the solutions for everyone was not an easy task. People of India were emerging from status of subject to that of citizen. It means people of India were subjects. They were under the British government earlier. But now India was independent and citizens of India were not under the government. Government is actually framed by people of India, so they were changing from the status of subject to the citizen. The country was born through a partition on the basis of religious differences. As you know, India and Pakistan, two countries were formed after independence on the basis of religion. Hindu religion was main religion, people living in India, and those who were followers of Muslim religion, they went to Pakistan. So it was at least 10 lakh people were killed on both sides of border in partition related violence. So religion was sensitive matter and it was very conscious subject to frame the constitution so that every people understand that India is a secular country and here all religion will get equal respect. The British had left it to the rulers of princely states to decide whether they wanted to merge with India or Pakistan or remain independent. The merger of these princely states was a difficult and uncertain task. Like India was having 592 provinces with small provinces and Indian rulers were ruling. So it was left on their own choice whether they want to join India or Pakistan. So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel took that difficult task and they told all the rulers to join India and to satisfy and merge them in India was not an easy task. So in this situation, framers cannot annoy any of the ruler, so that constitution was based on the satisfaction of every person. Path of constitution means what are the sources of Indian constitution, means from where these concepts are taken. So our constitution framers studied British Constitution, Weimar Constitution, American Constitution, Soviet Constitution, Canadian Constitution, South African Constitution, Irish Constitution, Government of India Act that was formed in 1935 and Australian Constitution. These all were source from where they took the main points which were seems to good for them and they included all those points in Indian Constitution. Many of our leaders were also inspired by ideals of French Revolution and the practice of parliamentary democracy that was prevailing at that time in the Britain and Bill of Rights in USA. They took good points from the constitution of these these constitution and included in Indian Constitution.